Welcome to Nova Society. Today, I'm bringing you the ultimate guide to budgeting and saving. If you've been looking for actionable strategies to take control of your finances, live debt-free, and set yourself up for lasting success, this video is specifically crafted for you. Let's dive into why budgeting matters and how you can master it. Why budgeting matters. Budgeting isn't just about numbers, it's about giving your money purpose. Here's why it matters. Financial control and goal achievement. A budget is your blueprint for achieving your dreams. Whether it's buying a home, traveling, or retiring comfortably, without financial control, those goals remain distant wishes. Avoiding debt and living within your means. Budgeting helps you avoid the stress of debt. By tracking and planning, you ensure your spending aligns with your earnings, reducing reliance on credit cards or loans, setting yourself up for financial success. The habits you build today shape your future. Budgeting creates the foundation for a stable and prosperous life, allowing you to navigate unexpected expenses with confidence. Understanding your spending. Before you can master budgeting, you need to understand your current spending habits. Here's how. Tracking your expenses. Use tools like budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook. Record every dollar you spend to gain clarity on your financial behavior. Categorizing your spending. Break down your expenses into categories such as housing, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This helps you pinpoint areas where you can cut back. Analyzing your spending patterns. Look for trends in your expenses. Are you spending too much on dining out or subscriptions? Recognizing these patterns is the first step toward improvement. Creating your budget. With a clear understanding of your spending, it's time to create a budget tailored to your needs, determining your income and fixed expenses. Calculate your total income and subtract fixed costs like rent, utilities, and insurance. This gives you a baseline for discretionary spending and savings. Allocating funds. Divide your remaining funds between essentials, groceries, transportation, and discretionary spending, entertainment, hobbies. Be realistic but disciplined, using budgeting methods. Consider frameworks like the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Saving strategies. Budgeting and saving go hand in hand. Here's how to boost your savings. Setting smart savings goals. Define goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For instance, saving $5,000 for an emergency fund within 12 months. Automating savings. Set up direct deposits or recurring transfers to your savings account. Automation ensures you save consistently without the temptation to spend first. Maximizing savings opportunities. Use high-yield savings accounts or investment options like ETFs. These tools help your money grow faster than it would in a standard account. Taking control of your finances. Budgeting is an ongoing process. Here's how to stay on track. Regular reviews. Revisit your budget monthly. Adjust for changes in income or expenses to ensure your plan remains effective. Seeking professional advice. If you're navigating complex financial decisions, consult a financial advisor. They can provide tailored strategies for your goals. Celebrating milestones. Achieving financial milestones is no small feat. Reward yourself responsibly to stay motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Here is my conclusion. Budgeting and saving are life-changing skills that empower you to achieve your dreams. By tracking your expenses, creating a plan, and staying disciplined, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Remember, every small step counts. Start today, and your future self will thank you. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe to Nova Society for more empowering content. Let's keep building a life of freedom and abundance together.